So very quickly in this video, we're going to be looking at the Pengu price update and also paying attention to what the Pengu Fibonacci level is saying. And not to forget, we are going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance chart and also the total 3 market cap price as well is currently trading in a bull flag. We are going to briefly talk about that. The BTC CME gap, the BTC price is still ranging for the past 20 days now. We are going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance and also the Ethereum BTC pair. Not to forget, the Ethereum price just tapped into a bearish order block. That is why I dropped this signal for you guys on the Telegram channel. You understand? Because I'm expecting this is an Ethereum long limit order setup signal. I'm expecting a correction on Ethereum for this long limit order to get triggered. So if you're paying attention, we are going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance on the Monday time frame as well, and not to forget the Play Solana X Pudgy Penguin limited edition Game Boy is now available for pre-order. So don't miss out. You guys can start pre-order now. The pre-order is now available. Pengu is undoubtedly one of the strongest meme coin right now in the crypto space. And if you're paying attention to Penguin price on CoinMarketCap, we are currently trading at around 0.03866. Market cap is up 5.4% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is looking, I think, good at the moment. We are currently at 54% in the last 24 hours. We are now back to $1.2 billion in trading volume. Previously, in our last video, I think we dropped to as low as $700 million in trading volume. So we are now back to 1.2 billion, which is great. And if you're paying attention, the chart is looking ultra bullish as well. Before we proceed, please, if you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. And for those new to this channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video as well. Now, the truth of the matter is we are left with around 77 days until this current market cycle comes to an end. That is to say, if you want to be on the safer side, you should start considering taking profit when we get to October 2025. Now, my official top call for Q1 2026 is still valid, but to be on the safer side, you should start considering taking profit in October 2025. Now, you don't just have to take profit on Penguin blindly, except if you are an ultra long-term holder, like you don't intend taking profit in this market cycle on Pengu, then you have nothing to worry about at all, because Pengu is still going to be relevant even until the next market cycle. And I'm going to be giving you guys a generational entry opportunity on Penguin by the time we get into the bear market. But for now, when you hear rate cut, which we are expecting to get a clear statement, a clear way forward on the rate cut in September, the rate cut is going to mark the beginning of the end. Like seriously. But before then, we all have to pay attention to what the BTC dominance is saying. Like I said in my previous video, the moment the BTC dominance, you have to know what the BTC dominance is saying, what the Ethereum chart is saying, what the BTC price is saying, in order to know the best time to exit your Pengu coin. Now, you can't nobody can predict or time the exact bottom or the exact top or the exact entry or exit. But to be on the safer side, charts like the BTC dominance and the BTC price and also the Ethereum price can be used as a confluence. And not to forget the the total 3 market cap as well can be used as a confluence in order to know when to exit or when to enter into Pengu. Now let's proceed with the Pengu price chart real quick. Now, if you're paying attention to the Pengu chart, this is the Fibonacci level so far. So the dip we had on Tuesday, which I told you guys I'm expecting a dip on Tuesday. We continued that dip until Wednesday and then properly tapped into this breaker block right here, which we've missed as a result of this massive run up to the upside for Penguin. Now we came back, we properly tapped into that breaker and then got a massive send to the upside for Penguin. But if you're paying attention to what the Fibonacci level for Pengu is saying, the Fibonacci level around 0.5 level is indicating if we should start getting a correction from where Pengu is currently trading, then we should expect to buy more Pengu in this massive liquidity pool right here. And if the correction is aggressive, I think a correction from the current price should be 13%, 12 to 13%, if I'm not mistaken. And if the correction is proceeding downward, like is going further, then we should expect a 20-something% correction all the way to the 0.618 Fibonacci level on Pengu. Now, the reason why I said I'm expecting a correction, it might not happen like right away, but we are already entering a new month. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, we are left with 12 hours and 15 minutes until this current monthly candle close. We are entering a new month now, which is going to come with a lot of volatility. So you never can tell what will happen. The month of August, I think usually the start of the month of August is usually bearish for the crypto market. So I'm expecting we should start going at least higher, or the market should turn bullish in maybe between 4th, 5th, 6th of August. And then the market is going to go ultra send, giga send by the time we start approaching the August ending, September, October, November, thereabout. So the 55% level and 47% level should be the level you should be paying attention to, should be what should give you should I say, a clear picture of when to exit your Pengu in profit. So anything between the 0.033 level and also 0.027 level should be a massive entry opportunity on the price of Pengu. Now, this is a clear bull flag on the total trade market cap. By the time this bull flag is breaking out, flipping this upper trend line to a support, then the likes of Pengu is going to send higher to the upside as well. That is when we can begin to like see a $3 billion market cap for Pengu, a $5 billion, $10 billion market cap for Pengu. The current market cap is seated at $2.4 billion. Now, if you're taking the measurement, the flagpole of this bull flag, and then placing it from here to the upside, is going to take us to around $1.2 trillion for the total trade altcoin market cap, excluding BTC. So the total trade is looking bullish. Ethereum for we still have a price between $4,107 and $3,847. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. But at the moment Ethereum is invalidating this bearish order block, is going to be massively bullish for the entire altcoin market. I think that will be when the BTC dominance will start like will eventually break below the 60.44% level, support level. The moment we are breaking below that level is going to be ultra bullish for altcoins. A retest of that level and a further send to the downside is going to be giga turbo bullish for altcoins and also for Pengu. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And Ethereum BTC pair is still looking good. There's no cause for alarm. BTC is still like ranging for the past 20 days. A breakout to either side, a retest of the either side is going to mark the beginning of a new trend. So not to forget, we still have a CME gap to be filled around 114K for BTC. So yeah, that's that for that. And overall, Penguin is still looking ultra bullish in my own opinion. So even if we should drop to the Fib levels, I think there's no cause for alarm at all. It's going to be another massive opportunity to buy Pengu at a cheaper price before the final send to the upside. As always, like this video if you haven't already, smash the like button. And my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Peace out.